Mechanical Engineering, SNS Project Technology. So today we are going to see about the design of transmission system in our my subject lecture video. In the previous two video we have seen about how much of importance we are going to give for this particular subject. This is very core subject. Okay, how it will be useful for our mechanical engineering students by the way of how using these design procedure and all. Okay, so we have seen enough introduction in our three videos. So the previous two videos. Now today we are going to see the application based. Okay, so here various applications will be available like compressor, rolling mill, machining, various types of machine operations. Okay, here also we are using the pinion and wheel material which can be taken as a compressor. Okay, one wheel or elevator, those types of elements they are having a different material we are using, different likewise the wheel which can be attached to the pinion likewise. Okay, so the flat belt and the wheel belt, the belt and chain drive system also the same thing will be happening. There are two wheels which can be connected over to the machine, pinion and wheel. Likewise here also the same thing will be given. So the power will be given, the notation is P, 22 kilowatt, and then speed N. Then N is a notation that is given 900 RPM, and the speed ratio will be given I. The representation of I in the notation 2.5. Then here the material which can be used for the pinion material is C15 steel. So that is the steel material we are using in this particular problem. Okay. Each and every the what of material we are using, each and every material what are the data it will be changed based on the materials. Okay, so that's why we are using the PSG data book. So PSG data book is very important. So and also the pressure angle will be given alpha. The rotation is alpha is 20 degree. And then what is the running time of that machine? So that is considered as a life 10,000 hours. These are the given data. Based on the data, we just want to design this per gear. Okay. So first point here we are normally we are following each and every gear. We are following certain steps of solving the design procedure. Okay. But if we are using the same standardized design procedure, we are following. Okay. By using a design data book, we can easily design the particular component. So that's why we just want to take a steps. So that's why we are representing 1, 2 like this. Okay, so first step is we just want to find out the gear ratio. It will be given in our problem. Speed ratio and gear ratio is it will be similar one. So that's why it will be represented I equal to 2.5. The second step, the material selection. So material selection is the second step we are consider. So in the material selection also will be given in the problem. Pinion material is C15 steel, and the wheel material is the cast iron CA grade 30. So that is the standardized CA30 we are given. So the third step is gear life. So the gear life also will be given in the problem. 10,000 hours. So it will be given. The fourth step is calculation the design torque. Okay, that is our fourth step. So in the design torque, design of twisting moment is very important. So this is our fourth step for design per gear design. Fourth step, normally we have to calculate the design torque. Okay. In the design torque, we are using to MT. MT is nothing but design twisting moment. So that is the formula which we are going to take from the PhD data book 8.15 page number. So by using this particular formula, it will be represented over the standardization formula there. Okay. After that, in that particular page number itself, that MT value, the value will be given in that particular data book table column. So here also the MT is nothing but design of twisting moment. That is the formula will be given 9740 kilowatt divided by M. So kilowatt we already represented in the problem itself 22 kilowatt. So directly we have to substitute here, and then N is nothing but the RPM speed which can be given in the problem previously. So 900 RPM that is also substitute here directly. And also the next step is PSG data book 8.15 the single page number. We are getting the remaining value KD and dot K. That value will be getting directly 1.3. We just want to get the assumed from the particular table column. So PSG data book we just want to directly assume 1.3, and after that these are the value will be getting after the simple substitution. So this is our fourth step. Okay. So this is the fifth step. So calculation of